Label my equations. Equation 1, equation 2. Example 3, I substituted or I rearranged equation 1. So this time I'm going to do it with equation 2. Take away 2x, take away 2x. So my new equation 2 is y equals 4 minus 2x. Again, I'm going to substitute equation 2 into equation 1. Everywhere where I see y, I substitute 4 minus 2x. All previous math still exists, so I need to distribute. Collect my like terms. I might bring them to the other side already, so take away an x from the left, take away an x from the right, add 6x's to the left, add 6x's to the right. I'm going to do that math all at once. 12 plus 1 is 13. Negative 1x plus 6x's is 5x's. Divide by 5, divide by 5. And I have x equals 13 fifths. As I continue, I'm now going to take my solution that I found for one of my variables, sub x equals 13 fifths, into, I can sub it into any equation, but again, I'm going to use rearranged equation 2 because it already has y by itself. Two times 13 is 26 over 5 times 5 times 5. Now I can add fractions because they have a common denominator. 20 take away 26 is minus 6 all over the common denominator 5. So my point of intersection for those two lines is solved. Now, hypothetically, I rearranged equation 2. What happens if I rearranged equation 1? Let's see. If I rearrange equation 1, to get maybe x by itself, I take away 3y from the left, take away 3y from the right, take away 1 from the left, take away 1 from the right. Now I'm going to take it all the way over here, just so we can see. X equals negative 3y, take away 1. I would then sub, this case, equation 1 that I rearranged into equation 2. So let's see. 2, everywhere I see x, I'm going to put what I actually had for x. All previous math still exists, so I need to distribute. I need to salt bay that in. There we go. 2 times negative 3y, negative 6y. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Plus y equals 4. Let's collect our like terms. So I'm going to add 2 to the left, add 2 to the right. Negative 6y plus y is negative 5y. 4 plus 2 is 6. Divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. Y equals 6 over 5. We don't like a negative on the bottom. That's a positive divided by a negative is a negative. Y equals negative 6 over 5, which, hey, look at that. That's what we got that way. We would then continue and substitute what we got, y equals negative 6 over 5, back into our rearranged 1. Let's see what happens. Negative times negative is positive. 3 times 6 is 18 over 5. Let's turn this to find a common denominator. We're going to have minus 5 over 5. 18 take away 5 is 13 over a common denominator 5. Hey, Look at that. So again, it doesn't matter which variable we solve for first or which one we rearrange, but we do need to get the variable by itself. If I rearranged equation 1 for y, I would need to divide all the terms by 3. So look to see for substitution if one of your variables in either of the equations is already by itself, already has a coefficient of 1. Easiest way to go to determine which equation to rearrange and then substitute in. Let this sink in. Give some practice a go.